I mean, this for sure could go higher too, but it's kind of in a scalpy mood. See what we can get off one contract here. I really should set it higher, I guess, but I should probably go 96. But I'm just not gonna risk it today. I'm just gonna go dollars shorter than the level I'm looking at. Come on, baby, let's get it over with. Come on. I don't know, so this will maybe, if I'm lucky, what it'll be like $300 or something if I can get up there. I think it's actually going to go a lot higher. But I'm playing catch up on this account because I made a couple dumb trades that I unfortunately did not record. But still hanging in there, nothing wrong. We're getting this dialed in. But yeah, Top Step it's pretty cool. I like Quan Tower. It's kind of it's just easy, simple, you know, and get in and get out. Futures is pretty simple. Just doing NQ. So I don't know, this will be $250 or $300. I really should put it higher, man. Like 96, but whatever. Let's just take the money and run today. Because we're down a lot today, you know. There we go. Boom. So let's see. Boom, right there. With, you know, fees, $5. $2.95 right there. So that's gonna be it for me for a while. Like I said, I guarantee this thing is going up to you know, 16,008, 12 minimum. So I'm just but I'm taking it easy today, and just I knew this right here was guaranteed. So anyhow, good stuff. I may record another one here, folks, if I see something. So see you soon.